reviewing the Moda mystery box. One of you mentioned it in the comments and I was so intrigued by this high fashion mystery box, so I decided to test it out for you guys and review it. Moda is a membership where you can buy high fashion at wholesale prices. They offer a 30-day free trial where you get access to all of their wholesale clothing. Everything is between 50 to 70% off. I am currently testing the trial right now. In fact, this is the first package that we have from them, but at the end of the trial they charge you $120 for the entire year. You can cancel the free trial at any time to avoid that fee. I actually contacted them by email just to be sure that I knew the exact day of when I would be charged, and then I marked that in my calendar so that I would not have to be charged that $120 fee if I decide to cancel the membership. The customer service I felt like was very kind and timely, and I just had a good experience so far. They offer a few different types and themes of mystery boxes. You can get a 2-item box for $40 that is valued at $280. Or you can get the 3-item box for $50 and that would be valued at $420. So you choose the theme and the sizing that you want your mystery box to be in. They have a couple different themes. They have the feminine and whimsical, the minimalist and contemporary, the fresh and fun, or you can just get the little bit of everything mystery box. I went for the feminine and whimsical style preference. And the sizes for these boxes range from extra small to extra large. So I feel like they're pretty inclusive with sizing, which I really appreciate. So I did choose to go for the 3-item box. I was expecting it to come in a box, but it came in this package because I did purchase a dress along with the mystery box. Just so you're aware, there are no returns, no exchanges. Honestly, like, I'm really stepping out on a limb here. I have no idea what to expect with this, so let's hope this is good. Before I share this mystery box with you, welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. If you are new here, I upload fashion and lifestyle videos every Monday and Friday, so if you would like to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let me know what you think of the items that I get from this mystery box in the comments, and if you feel like helping me out a little bit, give this video a thumbs up so that I can know to be making more like this for you. I have a link in my description box that will take you directly to the Moda website if you are interested. And it said that the clothing for these mystery boxes range from sweaters, tops, pants, jeans, skirts, jumpsuits, dresses, and coats. So that is a lot of styles of clothing, and I did choose a size large just to play it safe. I just don't know the sizing at all. This is just all very brand new and I feel very, very brave. Okay, so this is the dress that I bought. I'm keeping you all in suspense. Sorry. It feels like really nice quality. It has like a lining underneath. Oh my goodness, this feels so soft. I feel like you can tell on the camera that this is really good quality. It has a ruffled neck collar, which I was completely in love with, and it has a tie around the neck. It's from the brand Opt, and it's in the size large. If I end up not liking anything from this mystery box, at least I know I got a beautiful dress out of it, of my choosing. So down here, the buttons are completely sewn shut. Up here, you have the option to button them. And then you don't have to have the neck tied like this, but I just like how that looks. It also looks good untied too. But just as far as like the detail and the design of this dress, I'm completely in love with it. I'm so glad that I decided to get this. So I definitely think that I could have sized down in this dress. There's a lot of room. Thankfully, there's this tie around my waist that brings it in. I don't necessarily like how it lays on me up here. I think it's a little bit unflattering, but I still like it. This fabric on top of this is so light, and then this is just what it looks like in the back, and I love this ruffle detail. I feel like you can see what I mean, that I feel like it takes away from my figure. I really like the design of the dress though. I think it could be very flattering. I just didn't get the right size. Mystery box it is. Came in this little package. I wonder if I should have gone for a medium. I don't know. Okay, that is cute. It's like a top with a knot in the front. I love this color. This is actually quite a nice loose fit, and it has elastic in the back. Wow, okay. Feels really nice and heavy. I feel like I would actually really enjoy wearing this. I actually really like this top. Bear with me, I don't think that it was a wise choice to go for these high-waisted pants with the bow too. I just think that these two clash against each other, but just having the shirt in mind, I love how it fits me. It is so light and the material is incredibly soft. I would actually wear this. In fact, I might actually wear this today. I love this color. I feel like it's very unique. I don't really see colors like this very often. And then this is just what the back looks like. So there is a little bit of elastic on the back, and I definitely think that I would have done better with a size medium, but I still like it and I will still wear it. I think if I were to try another box, I might actually go for a medium. So far, I really like it. Oh, I think it's a dress. Wow. Okay, so it's actually strapless. Okay, I actually really like this. I mean, honestly, it's not something I would choose myself, but I love this cream color. I mean, I'm wearing cream right now, so I really hope it fits. You will see in a second if it does, but it does have a little bit of elastic in the back. There's a zipper. So hopefully it'll be nice and easy to get into, and the material is very good quality. I was terrified at first that this was not going to fit me at all. Like I wasn't even going to be able to squeeze into this. So let me point out a couple things. First of all, I want to say I have extremely high hopes for this, but I gotta fix a lot with it. Okay, so first of all, this top is supposed to be, I'm assuming, up here. It keeps falling down. Let me hold it up so I don't flash you guys. And then this bottom part I feel like is perfect. I love how it lays on me. So I kind of have a couple ideas on how I could possibly fix this. I was thinking it would be fun to add some straps so that it would actually hold it up and I wouldn't be terrified for my life that this is going to fall down on me. Yeah, I actually really like this. I think this is very feminine and whimsical. I think I could make this work. And I love where it hits me lengthwise. I feel like I can walk around in this very comfortably once I get the strap situation figured out. So this is what the back looks like. And yeah, I've got like all this material right here. So I think it needs to be fitted to my figure a lot better, but I definitely think that I can work with it and figure it out. Last one. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, so this is like a really, I don't know if you can really see it in the camera, but it's a very dark navy blue, which I do not have a lot of in my closet. And just so you know, this dress is from the Moda New York brand, and this is the same as well, Moda New York, size large like I chose. I love how it's sheer on the top and then it flares out into like a bell sleeve, I guess. I don't remember what it's called, but this is actually very classy, and I could definitely use some more classy outfits like this. So I definitely see myself wearing this. I actually think that this dress is very flattering. There's just a couple things that I don't necessarily like about it. So this part up here where it kind of cuts up underneath my chest, I think it's just not laying on me right. It's not made for my figure. I have a very long torso, I have long legs, so it is difficult to get a dress like this to fit me right. But if it was on someone that was a little bit shorter than me, like I think this would be a perfect fit. I love this, just it's almost like spongy material. You have a lot of room, it's very comfortable. There is no stretch in the sleeves, which I find a little bit annoying because it is kind of fitted to my arm right there, and I don't think that it's long enough. I still think that I can get away with wearing it. I think this would be a gorgeous all black winter outfit or something, wear black tights and black boots or something. I think this would just be a gorgeous outfit. I don't know if this is navy or black. Sometimes it looks navy and sometimes it looks black, I can't tell. I love how the back is longer than the front because so many times I have trouble with dresses and skirts being too short in the back and fine in the front. This one is perfect. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I do really like it. It's just a couple things that I don't necessarily like, but I can definitely work with. Like, I don't feel like this is whimsical. I feel like it's a very classy box. I don't know if feminine and whimsical is the right word to use for this box, but you know what? I like everything that I got. I'm kind of debating getting like the Fresh and Fun box because I feel like that would be a little bit more of my style. So I'm really glad that I did choose to buy that dress just to make sure I got something good out of it. Quality, I can tell, is top notch. Let me know if you're interested in me trying it out, what box you would like to see. Maybe I'll just kind of listen to what you guys say in the comments on what box you'd like me to try, and maybe I'll do that. To be honest, I think I would actually just buy clothing from them that I see that I really want. Like there's a white midi dress that I saw on there that I really would like to get. You're really taking a chance with their mystery box. I'm not disappointed, but I'm not completely over the wall thrilled with everything that I got. I think I can definitely put these all to good use. They're staples, they're great. I was looking for more, see, to me, like I feel like this is more feminine and whimsical. That just seems to be the type of clothing that you would get. That's just my opinion. I think I might end up purchasing a couple more dresses to review from them in the future, and maybe I will try another mystery box, but I have to do it before they charge me. So let me know your thoughts on this, and I will definitely be up to making another video and trying out another mystery box. What did you guys think of this mystery box? Would you get it? Let me know. So I will see you all very soon in another video. Bye.